Alright guys, here it is. My 2006 Range Rover HSE. So this is what replaced my old 99 Range Rover, which is sold now. So yeah, this is gonna be my new daily driver. But it's black, and then on the inside it's like a light tan. But it's in really good condition. I haven't cleaned it at all yet. This is exactly how it came. Had it for about a week now. I do have to fix this cup holder here. It's not staying down. And then just some little quirks on it, but it's in super good condition. Let me go in the back here. It actually did come with the screens on the headrests, which is really nice. Has all rubber floor mats, and yeah, it's quite nice. It even came with the original headphones for the TVs, or the screens on the back of the headrests. Yeah, I'm surprised how nice it really is. It has aftermarket 20-inch rims. They look stock, but they're not. The stock ones would have been 19-inch. Yeah, and as far as what I got with it, I got a whole folder here of service records. This whole thing is full of service records since it was originally bought. And it came with the original manual with all this stuff in it, and this really nice, I guess, booklet to hold everything. But so that's nice, and I'll show you this in a second. But it did come with 2 keys. The other one's inside. They're both in really good condition. Everything works on them. So I can go ahead and start it up here. So yeah, it sounds really smooth, runs quiet, no weird noises at all, air suspension works. Yeah, it's just in really good condition. And that K40 on, when I just started it, is actually a radar detector, which didn't know it had at first, but then I found this little controller in this little cubby compartment here, and I have to look up how to use it because I have no idea. But if I go outside here and look underneath the front of it, this unit right here is actually the one of the radar detectors. And then there's another one actually in the back here. Let's see, right here. So it's actually like a full 360 view. And I looked it up. I looked up this brand K40, and apparently there's some pretty high-end radar detectors, and they're known to be really discreet. As you may have saw, there's 2 little blue lights on either side of the kind of instrument cluster here. Those turn on, or those light up when you turn on the ignition. And that's really the only way to tell that it's actually here. But I don't know if it's active or not active. But yeah, it'd be really cool to get that figured out and how to work it. But yeah, and then the engine light is on because the air intake manifold gaskets need replacing. The guy who sold it was actually a mechanic who worked at a Land Rover shop, and that's what he said it needed. That's what the code was throwing. He said it's a really easy job, it just kind of takes some time, so I'll be sure to do that. Also, when I put it in reverse, the parking light here is solid, but it shouldn't be exactly, because well, the camera doesn't work, and the beeps don't happen at all for the parking sensors, which is kind of weird because I looked it up online, and even if the system has a fault, it still should make a long beep when you first go in reverse, but it doesn't. So yeah, that's about it on it for doing a little walk around for you guys. It did come with these roof racks, and there's the backup camera there. You are able to replace them. Most guys would just upgrade them to a higher definition one anyway, so I'll be sure to do that. And then each of these here are the parking sensors, or proximity sensors, so you can actually go around to each one and listen for a ticking noise to see if they're working while it's in like reverse. And if they are ticking, that means they're working, because they actually send out like an echolocation. So they send out a little ticking noise and listen for the echo back to see how close they are to a wall or an object. So basically, if they're ticking, they work, and if they're not ticking, then that sensor is either dead or there's something wrong with the wiring going to that sensor itself. But I'll make another video on testing those out. Also looking at the backup camera. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna make a video on giving it its first wash, because I have not touched it whatsoever. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you out there.